Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious feta cheese pasta. So you're gonna add some oil in the pan, add some cherry tomatoes, all right, add some chicken, cut up chicken, then you're gonna add your spices, okay? I'm adding some garlic, some curry powder, thyme, ginger onion powder, and some red pepper, okay? Some grounded red pepper and chicken seasoning to it. And then I will be mixing it up. All right. And don't forget to add some salt. All right, and smoked paprika. And then you mix everything real good. Make sure it's nice and mixed. And then we're gonna give a space and add our feta cheese in the middle. All right, and we're gonna put it in the oven. We add some oil and everything. And we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes, okay? Till the cheese melts and the tomatoes melt a little bit. All right. And then once that is done, you have your feta cheese, the tomatoes ready. Okay, make sure you pre-cook your pasta beforehand. And then once that is done, you mix this feta cheese with the tomatoes together. Mix everything, and then you're gonna add your cooked pasta in it and mix and serve. Very easy recipe, family friendly recipe, dinner idea for your family. And then you can garnish with red onion with some spring onions, whatever you want to garnish with. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and appreciate your support. And I'll see you on the next video. Please comment below if you have any videos you would like me to make, and if you've had this kind of pasta before, please comment below and rate it and let me know how it's tasted. If you have any recipe you want me to also do, let me know. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye bye.